America has always been a partner and a friend, and has stood with us during the good and the bad times, always in Kenya. And together with other members of the international community, we are looking forward to working together in that endeavor. It is said that injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. Whatever is happening, whether it is happening in Ukraine or in any part of the globe, is a source of concern for all of us. And the statement that was issued by the government of Kenya at the UN, for example, was laced with one of the statements that Dr. K's institute, this Carson Institute, about race. That even in a situation of war like in Ukraine, you still have people who want to practice racism, who gets rescued first. Even in a situation of war, it's mind-boggling that people can still have the space to practice racism. You know, and therefore the institute here, the Carson Institute, has some work to do, and hopefully, as members of the global village, we will play our part as people from Kenya. I do not wish to say more than that at this point.